Welcome back, buddy. Happy to see you again. For today's class, we have an interesting topic: tower cranes. We will introduce you to how it operates and some incredible facts. Thrilled? Okay, let's get started. I am sure that everyone saw the tower crane at least once in his life. Tower crane lifting device, which is a vertically located structure in the form of a tower with a horizontal arm attached to it. Unlike a mobile crane, it is located directly on the construction site. It's getting delivered apart and then assembled on site. As we discovered early, the earliest lifting devices were levers. Without these devices, it is impossible to imagine the construction of the Egyptian pyramids, which are more than 4,500 years old. The lever was driven by human muscular energy. The lever is the simplest mechanism, which is a beam rotating around a pivot. And this is some sort of early robotic arm when people start applying some physics to simplify hard work. In 1913, the inventor Julius Wolff presented the prototype of a modern tower crane at an exhibition in Leipzig. His creation was nicknamed the Giant of Heilbronn. And even though it's nothing new, the cranes were a real booster for the first part of the 1913 construction business. Due to the Julius invention, we can see megapolises like New York and Boston. The main components of the belt transmission are the elastic belt and different-sized pulleys. Motion transfer is achieved by the friction of transmission elements. Perfect. And the last piece of code: when we have our sensor idle, it will stop the motor and clear the screen.